How to clear cache in Beeple. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, all the temporary files have been completely gone. Now you can simply go back and reopen the app. Now there won't be any lags. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.